In order to reschedule or cancel a road test, you must first log into your student portal, go over to Scheduling, My Schedule, and then you'll see in your schedule the road test will be right here. You click the little pencil. You can cancel it. If you cancel it, it will no longer be on your schedule and you don't have to worry about it. If you reschedule it, it'll bring up a list of different options to reschedule. So I will reschedule for the orange test on Wednesday, January 19th, 1:15 to 1:45. Schedule it, and then it will immediately change in the system, and you'll be able to look at it and change it, cancel it whenever you want.